Greetings ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Booster Addons video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discovering our recently released cross-domain copy-paste extension. So what is this extension? The cross-domain copy-paste extension is an extension that allows you to copy any Elementor content from one site to another. In this tutorial, we'll have two websites. This is website number 1 and website number 2. We are going to copy content from website number 2 to website number 1. So let's go ahead and head to the extensions manager. This is where you will find all the Booster Addons extensions and enable the cross-domain copy-paste. Save changes. Let's head to the second site and do the same. Save changes. Now let's head back, go to pages, and we'll be using this business home template as an example. Edit with Elementor. So this is the template that we'll be using. Let's go ahead and click anywhere, and here you can see 4 new options. This is for copy and pasting a single element or a section. This can be a section, a column, or a widget, and this is for full page copy paste. Let's go ahead and select full page copy. Now let's head back to website number 1, go to pages and add a new page. Let's name it example, and let's hit edit with Elementor. Let's add a new section with 1 column and simply click full page paste. This will take a few seconds depending on the content of the page. And here you can see we have the full page with all the widgets and colors on this site. Now let's say you only wanted to copy 1 element. So let's delete all content here, and let's go back, and let's say you wanted to copy this hero part. Let's click on this section and choose copy. Head back, again add a section, and simply use the paste. And now you have the hero in your page. Now let's say you didn't want to copy a whole page or section, but only 1 widget. Well, simple enough. Let's delete our content again. Head back to the page. And let's say you wanted to copy this icon box. Simple enough. Right click again. Choose copy. Then go back to the other page. Add a new section. Right click and simply paste, and that's it. Now you have the widget on your second site. As you can see, this extension is very useful as it allows you to quickly transfer content from one website to another with just a few clicks. And with this we reach the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.